Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the radar voice setting in Arc Raiders. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Press this button right here or the back button and then go into settings. From there, make sure you're in the audio tab. Scroll down to the radar voice beta section. Here you can enable a radar voice heard by everyone, only proximity or off. This option uses AI to scan your voice and then actively replace it by the given voice pack basically. You can select if set to everyone, only proximity, etc. You can set it to voice number 5, 4, 3, 2 or 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. I will set it to number 10 and set it for everyone. After that, you can simply go back and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.